The Baron Geister Story, From Drug Addiction to Rehab and to Become a Dad. Bago pa man nagpakasal si Baron Geister sa kanyang misis ngayon, ay meron na po siyang dalawang anak na babae. Opo, dalawa po ang anak niyang babae. At ito po ay indifferent woman. At ngayon po ay he is trying to reach out the mothers of her two daughters. At paano nga ba siya nagbago? Because he is far from being a God's believer. Atin pong pakinggan ang pagbabago ng buhay ni Baron Geister.
Lahat po ng mga binibigay sa akin ngayon ay unexpected. Sometimes I feel that I don't deserve it, but because of God's faithfulness na ibibigay niya sa akin, and there are times na I overserve the Lord, and ayun siguro kaya yung balik po sa akin ng mga magagandang bagay. Hindi ko po sinasabi na walang mga test sa buhay.
Marami po. Kahit sino, lahat tayo.
Yes,
diba?
may mga bagay po na nagugulat po ako na parang kaya ko pa pala to. Salamat Lord na may mga discover po ako na mga regalo na binibigay niya sa akin na biglaan, unexpected. So, doon ko na mas nakikilala si God. He's a God of miracles, mercy, grace. Gaya ng sinabi niyo po kanina, oh, it's your first leading role sa Viva, kay Boss Vic, na ganito kalaki yung responsibility ko, na kung kailan ako tumanda, tsaka ako pinagkatiwalaan at binigyan ng ganitong regalo. Sobrang hindi ko po alam na lumuluhod na lang po talaga ako sa kay God. You know, Lord, I don't deserve this. I am nothing. I was nothing. And you're giving me grace upon grace. Maraming salamat po. There are times na, yes, I am a humble servant. There are times na nagkakamali din po ako, pero hindi niya ako iniwan. I think as God, yung asawa ko na nandyan, and yung anak ko, never in my wildest dreams na naisip ko po na magkakaroon ako ng anak na mamahalin ko unconditionally. Akin lang po, nung nawalan ako ng career, I made extra effort to read the Bible. I made time for God. It was my main priority. And I made time for church. Noong 2019, I questioned a church, and God put me in my place. This na pinagdasal ko na, Lord, please send me angels, and nandyan si Nazandro Salgado, nandyan lahat na pinadala si Pastor Bendoy Yoharni, na lagi kong ina-acknowledge kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi magiging okay yung buhay ko, yung relationship ko with God and my wife and my kids. And that's what makes me believe my Creator more. Because if He tests me, I test Him back. Because I have that relational, na Lord, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Pagdating ko minsan sa ganito, sa mga pagkakataon na I get to explain myself, God transforms and turns things into beautiful accidents so that I may gain more wisdom.
Yes.
In my job, talking to you, my friends. And I think the main purpose of me being in this industry is to pay it forward with the lessons that I've learned. Kasi if I haven't experienced all the heartbreaks, hardships, and the bad, the glory is not for me. It's whenever I do a job, all the glory is for Him. That's why siguro kahit I'm a very, very inadequate, He helps me deliver work, and tuloy-tuloy ang pag-invest sa akin ng mga tao, at maraming salamat po sa mga nag-invest sa akin.
Tiwala.
Kay Boss Vic pa lang, Boss Vincent, Veronique ng Viva, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sobrang salamat. I'm part of a blended family as well.
Yes.
Jamie has hers, I have mine, and we have ours. And isang tulong din yan kasi sometimes the things that are very taboo and not discussed much sa mundo ngayon, na alam na ginagawa ng karamihan, tinatago. So why lie about the truth? Why lie about the love that we have for, sige, sabihin natin, may wife ako and hindi nag-work, ganito, ganyan. Maraming nagtatago sa kadiliman ng ganong klaseng relasyon. So,
Totoo yun.
ngayon, baka mas maintindihan ng mga tao na hindi pala ganun nakakahiya. But your choices will give you those problems. If you choose badly, then you will reap the repercussions of negativity. Yung katawan ko yung pinaka-canvas ko to act, and buti I'm healthy. I'm grateful na healthy ako to make decisions like that. Collaborate with the best of the best. I'm grateful that I have the spirituality and the wisdom, the knowledge and experience to guide me throughout each line, to have a certain context of a bit of truth, you know? Kasi yun lang. Kasi best foot forward tayo as
Yes.
human beings.
Right.
Pero may mga nagsasabi, fake it till you make it. I don't believe the fake it till you make it. Oo, nag-work sa ibang mga tao. But live it
That
till you make it.
temporarily maybe. You have your real daughter as well. Daughter ba o daughters?
Daughters.
Diba? Ang alam ko dalawa eh.
Yeah.
Oo, ang alam nila isa lang.
Yeah.
Yes. Unfortunately, I'm sorry to open this up. Unfortunately, yung isa, wala ka talagang communication at all.
Yes. Yeah.
And she's so pretty. At ang laki ng hawig yung dalawa. Hindi yan may kakaila.
No, may communication pa rin. I talk to the mother.
Okay.
Ano lang, wala lang kaming, because I'm juggling with the woman I married.
Yes.
Kasi love child yung mga previous eh.
Yes.
So, mas binibigyan ko ng vow and commitment doon sa tunay. Pero,
But
I'm
in the
also
process, yeah.
making an effort to try to provide. Eventually, alam mo, hindi ko naman control yan eh.
Yes.
Eventually, si God yung but in due time, God
In God's time.
will exalt my relationship with them. Kasi kapag sinabay-sabay ko po lahat, baka mahirapan ako sa mga
I get you. Yes.
obligations ko na
Right.
nasa harap ko muna. Kasi overwhelming na, like the work and stress that I get from work. I know I love my job. It's beautiful. That's why I'm still here.
Yes.
Because I take my job seriously. Yun, nangyari dun sa anak kong isa na nakilala ko. Tapos itong isa na naman, I still make it a point to reach out and contact the mother,
Yes.
the one in Pampanga.
Oo.
So, and buti na lang, no, they're educated women who understand. And they're rooting for
They're
me.
grown up na.
Yeah, they're rooting for me because they've seen me at my worst na talagang wala. They loved me at my worst. And now,
They
that
love you
see-
more at your best.
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah, so andun yung support. Pero of course, there are things na we have to protect the children
Of course.
na hindi ma showbiz or
Yes.
madrag sila sa circus ng trabaho namin minsan.
Yes.
So
yes.
you have to respect, you have to have that boundary or boundaries na okay, ganito, ganyan. Kasi I know if ilabas namin yan, matutuwa mga tao. Pero paano yan ako? Paano niya i-handle yan? Paano i-handle yung nanay? Kapag binigyan mo ng...
Makikialam at sasawsaw.
Oo.
I
Pag
get your
binigyan mo
point.
ng isang
Oo.
pinky, kukunin
Buong
yung
arm mo.
buong arm mo.
Yes,
Ayan.
yes.
Boundary.
But in time,
Kailangan ko rin intindihin yung mararamdaman ng bawat ina.
Of course.
Hindi, or sa asawa ko rin, hindi ako pwedeng, sige, dahil tingin kong ito yung tama, dahil ako, tingin ko tama, ito gagawin ko. Itong sinasabi ng mga tao na dapat, medyo superficial yan eh, subjective. Pero if lalagay mo sa objective na pagkakataon, na saan ba makaka-benefit eventually, in the long run, ang lahat-lahat, timing, planning, and yun yung
communication. Especially with your wife.
Yeah, yun yung opo, tita. So yun yung pinaka magandang regalo sa atin, that we still do have time. I'm grateful that I'm 41 years old. I still get to do what I love, and I don't have any complaints.